Hi guys, today we're going to be cooking with Sylveon. Wait, yeah. So yeah. So let's get started. And also, sorry if you hear sounds in the background. So yeah. So today we're going to be making cereal. So first, you need a bowl. It's like the simplest thing ever, a bowl. So yeah, and we're going to have milk. So you're just gonna pour milk in. There you go. So about like this much, as much as you want. I just prefer that much. And by the way, this is my second cooking video. So if you were subscribed to my channel like a long time ago, then you would have known that I made cooking with Pikachu, which is like the most. So yeah, it's the most like oldest video, one of the most oldest videos I made. So yeah, we're just gonna. I'm gonna put the cereal in. So yeah, one thing I forgot is you need you need a spoon. Oh yeah, here's a spoon. Perfect. All right, and then all you have to do now is put your spoon in the cereal, and you have cereal. Yummy! So Sylveon just made cereal. Yum! I want to jump in it. Yeah, that's some good milk.